welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a Southwestern chicken wrap. It's an easy lunch idea when you have a busy day. Now, let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing you will need is some flour tortilla. I have 4 of them right here. They're large. I have diced tomatoes, diced avocado, shredded lettuce. I have some Mexican cheese. You can do cheddar if you would like. And right here, I have some shredded chicken. Mine is roasted chicken. You can do whatever you want, whatever you have in hand. And the most important thing is your sauce. Right here, I have 3/4 of a cup of salsa, mild, and 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon and a half of taco seasoning, mild as well. You will need a cutting board. Now we'll grab our tortilla bread. We'll put some of the sauce. Some lettuce. Diced tomato, diced avocado. I have a whole one right here. Shredded cheese. I have Mexican. And of course, some chicken. And at the end, you will need to put some sauce on top of it. Now let's roll it. We need to cut it in half. Grab our plate. And now we do have our wrap ready. We can try it together. It's really good. Love that sauce. Not too spicy. Not too mild. It's perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!